Mark just got an estimate to do the brakes on his car after he got his new tires put on the car, and the estimate was $400. By doing it ourselves with our own tools, we were able to go buy a set of brake shoes for about $30, and in about an hour's time we had both the front brakes replaced and reinstalled, and now it stops perfectly. The hardest part about fixing the brakes on Mark's Honda was actually just getting it jacked up, and then getting the first set of brake pads out. Once we saw how they came out and how they went back in, and how to collapse the caliper, the next one only took a few minutes, and it all worked very well. Replacing those brakes demonstrates again the value of having a good set of tools and a little bit of knowledge, and being able to make repairs on your own vehicle. By doing the repairs that we did, we saved about $380, and it only took an hour's time.